Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to add about number 9. Later that we need to minus about number 9. This one we have negative 25. This one that is about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 3 equals to number 5 secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 25 secant of t square. 25, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change for tan t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. ds that is about this one. So we have 25 secant of t square. 25, we can do about factorization. This one that is about tan t square. And now we need to simplify number 5 tan t. So secant of t that is about 1 over cosine t. Tan t that is about sine t over cosine t. And now we simplify cosine t, cosine t. This one that is about cosecant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 5. And now we can find the value of t that is about secant of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer.